The essence of the learning Perl. Perl is its foundation based on Unix. Perl is considered more complex as compared to JavaScript or PHP. However, it is the ideal measure for CGI writing on the internet. One can access numerous Perls for free by simply downloading them from the internet. The free Perls are simple to launch and use. Perls can be adjusted to suit one's needs. Knowing more about Perl is important and needs to be taken very seriously. It is advisable for one to consistently and patiently learn about it. One needs to go about it systematically, since any attempt to jump the gun will lead to the user getting totally confused. Unlike the JavaScript and PHP, which are presented in simple English, the Perl script is presented in different and diverse languages that include Arabic. What gives Perl its distinction is that it is complex to prose, and this makes the writers work from the basics to more complex details. The writers provide tests to gauge the reader's grasp of the subject. The self-assessment tests allow the reader to be able to identify their areas of weakness and polish them up before they can move to the next chapter. That is a great advantage to the reader, who was able to learn Perl step by step without necessarily having to rush to complete it. Similar to the PHP and the JavaScript, the Perl is applicable for the user who was working on some information that is located in other books and forms like password validation in the guest book. The user can easily download this information and use it conveniently with a Perl. The consistent expression makes the Perl the preferred language of choice due to the amount of power and strength that comes along with it. These expressions make it possible to substitute easy and hard patterns in a context. The manuscript contains consistent expressions which have a handful of easy examples that will aid the user to systematically do so. Very complex patterns can easily be simplified, and very simple patterns can be made complex to suit the user's requirements at the time. Perl is a teaching manual that will enable the user to go through the initial stages of its writing, unlike the JavaScript, which is entirely a language referral. The funny thing about it is that it has the least volume in comparison to the JavaScript and the PHP. In spite of this, it is well acclaimed for its detail and portability, which makes it a favorite to many. The Perl has condensed its information to suit the lazy reader who would be uncomfortable reading a lot of data and information. The learning Perl is highly recommended. Learning Perl. Author Randall L. Schwartz and Tom Phoenix. Publisher O'Reilly and Associates. System 05960013220. Price $29.95. Amazon $24.47.